Hello, Daniel here, and welcome to another one of my product unboxing videos. This isn't going to be a full review, it's just going to be an unboxing of a new product Amazon sells. This is called the Amazon Flex, has Alexa built in. It's a plug-in smart speaker with obviously she shall not be named on it. And it takes a couple of attachments. One is they're both plug-in via USB in the bottom. One is a PIR sensor for motion, which you can set up routines off of it. And one is a night light, which is handy for the children and things who've got it on the landing. It's got a blue light there to indicate the power, an action button, mute mic and a speaker. The speaker isn't top quality, but this is more of a, I don't know, like small thing you'd have sort of thing. It takes stereo. It's got USB-A ports. You can charge things off the bottom of it as well as the attachments. It's got the stereo out on it. It's got Bluetooth, so you can hook it up to sound bars and things like that. It's obviously got the far field, and as you can see, it plugs in like that. Right, so the box is nice, sort of a nice glossy finish on it. So let's open this up. So if you're thinking about buying one of these, this is what comes in the box. So it's nicely packaged. So this is their Flex, and it's got the typical Amazon sort of plastic sort of wrap on it just to protect it. It's got one bit on the top and one bit on the bottom. So as I said, you've got your two mics here. Got your power button, action button, mute mic, and the little speaker, and it's got almost like a grill in there. Sound quality isn't fantastic from that, so just bear that in mind. But these are about 20 quid, and you can put them anywhere. So we've got USB at the bottom. So that's the plug. There's not really too much to this, but if you are wondering what it's like, then hopefully this video helps you out. Small instruction manual. It's dead simple to set this up. And if you've got an Amazon account really, you should be able to plug this in, it'll just set itself up. So if you're thinking about buying one of these, hopefully this little unboxing video helps you out in making your decision. Thanks for watching.